Marina. Thanks, Zia. So, oh my God, buti na lang wala na yung litrato ko dito. Good evening, everyone. That is really a picture of back to 1997. So, good evening, everyone. It really is a pleasure to see all of you here once again, especially in the full 90s fashion. Some of you really truly brought us back in time. I think, allow me to share something a bit more personal. I joined Cebu Pacific 18 years ago when the airline and the industry looked very different. While we were already starting to roll out piece of fares, many of the products and systems we now take for granted were still evolving at the time. Most passengers still book their through ticket offices and travel agents, as the online booking platform was still, relatively new. Our fleet at the time consisted of only 10 relatively brand new Airbus aircraft, with the airline primarily focused on growing and strengthening its network.